Hey YouTube family, so today on Shecooksitall we are going to cook this delicious couscous jollof, which is perfect if you like something alternative to the traditional jollof made with rice. And it's so easy to make and to bring together, and packed with flavor. Let's cook. As usual, here are the ingredients. This is the couscous, and I have my thyme, I have my bay leaf, onion, peppers, and all that good stuff, and the seasoning. I will list everything down below, so always check the description, guys. Okay, so let's cook. Before we cook, I like to grill my tomato and pepper blend before I blend them, so I'm just prepping them here. I've already washed them. I'm just removing the seed and all that good stuff, and then we are going to roughly cut this, place this in our air fry basket. So the onion and the garlic and ginger, drizzle with a little bit of oil, and then we are going to air fry this at 200 degrees for 20 minutes. Remember to shake this about halfway through. Okay, while the air fry is doing its things, we are going to go ahead and start with our sauce base. For the sauce base, we are simply sauteing the onion. So just you need a little bit of oil, about 2 tablespoons here. I'm not measuring, but I know it's about 2 tablespoons. And we are going to saute one onion for about 2 to 3 minutes until it's nice and soft. You don't need to brown this, okay? And then also the bay leaf, obviously, because we are now adding all those flavor seasoning into the oil. So we start with the onion, bay leaf, about 2 to 3 minutes, and then we're going to add in our thyme. When I'm making jollof, I like to use fresh ingredients. I feel like they hold the best flavor for some reason, but you can use dry thyme if that's all you have. Okay, remove the thyme from the stem, the leaf from the stem, and fry the thyme for another 30 seconds to a minute. Again, be careful not to brown this. My heat is on a medium. Okay, after like a minute or so, we're going to go ahead and add in our tomato puree, and we are going to fry this for a good 5 minutes, because you really want that acidity of the tomato puree to really be gone. So take your time, fry this for a good 5 minutes. Okay, after 5 minutes it was ready. Then we are going to also add in the seasoning. You also want to kind of fry that seasoning, because the heat kind of wake them up to release their flavors. So another 30 seconds and that was fine. You don't need to overdo that. And once this is ready, our grilled tomato pepper concoction was ready as well. Check that out. If you have charcoal, guys, also you can grill this on the charcoal, even better for that smoky flavor. We are going to blend this now, just as if you are making a smoothie. Add everything from your air fry, blend until smooth. Oh, check out this beautiful color, guys. Oh, and the smell of this smells amazing. We are going to add this in our concoction that is going on here already. Remember, this tomato and pepper base count as your liquid toward your end liquid that you use, so always bear that in mind. You're going to add this in, and then I went ahead and add about 1 cup of hot water in, just to collect all that goodness, and that was like 1 cup already of liquid into the final liquid we will use. Okay, no need to fry this because this has been grilled. Mix this well. We are going to go ahead and add in 1 more cup of hot water, because you want this to already start cooking. Okay, and then I season everything with a teaspoon of soy sauce. You can use any seasoning of choice. Remember, guys, I will have the full recipe on my blog at shecooksitall.com, but all the ingredients used are listed in the description below. Now we add in our washed couscous, and then we are going to mix this well. And after we mix this well, we are going to turn off the heat, cover, and then allow this to rest and it to do its thing there for about 8 to 10 minutes, or according to your couscous packaging instruction. Okay, 10 minutes is maximum time you can really make your couscous. And after 10 minutes, guys, yeah, first of all, obviously you mix this well, of course. And then you cover, turn off the heat, and 8 to 10 minutes. And here we have it, guys. 10 minutes later, we are going to fluff this goodness up. Oh, it smells so good. And it was ready. You just fluff it and it's ready to serve. This was so amazing, guys. Oh my goodness. I hope you're inspired, and if you have watched up until this far, seriously, you are a champ, and thank you so much for your support. And please don't forget to like, comment, share, invite others to come and join us. I'm gonna do my best. I promise to be here as often as I can. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.